Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restart laptop Windows 11 using keyboard. To restart Windows 11 with your keyboard, press the keys Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. In the menu that appears, click on the Shutdown button and then click on Restart. With this, we managed to restart the system from our keyboard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.